Welcome back, guys. So the first thing you want to do as a VA or as an email manager or an email VA is to have access to your client's email. How do you do that? Well, there are three ways you can do that. One of those ways is you being shared the credential of the account, shared credentials. What does this mean? This means that the client will give you access to their email address and password, which is very risky. So this is very risky. What if you sack the VA in less than a day? You have to change your password, and if the VA is well knowledgeable, the VA can actually hack your account if you've given out your email address and password. So this is out of the way. Well, it depends on the trust level you have with your VA. Shared credentials is risky, but there are other ways you could actually access your client's email without having their email address and password. So we have two other ways aside from using shared credentials. We have two other ways right now. So the two other ways we have is we have you forwarding your email address. So we can say forwarding. So we can use the forwarding method, forwarding incoming emails. So you can use forwarding incoming emails, not shared credentials. We can use forwarding incoming emails to another account. We'll be using Gmail as a sample of what we want to do. So you understand the whole basics of you managing emails for clients. So we can forward incoming emails to the VA's mail. That's another method. I will show you practically, of course. This is just me telling you conceptually what you can do to access your client's email. And the third one is delegate. You can delegate an account. You can delegate email account to the VA. Yes, so these are the three ways you can access your client's email address or email messages, email inboxes. So I'm going to show you how to do it actually in the next lesson. I'm going to show you how to forward emails, incoming emails to another account, and how to delegate emails to your VA. I'm going to show you that in the next lesson. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.